Hello everyone! Today I have a review of a switchblade from the German company Hubertus, which is manufactured by Otter. In the box, the manufacturer's information leaflets in English and German languages. And the knife itself. Total length is 19.2 centimeters, blade length is 8.2 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.7 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 1.4034. It's a German stainless steel, tempered between 58-59 HRC, full flat grind, a clip point blade type, highly polished. The blade features the company logo and name, Hubertus Springer. Geschmiedet Rostfrei, Germany. This is a lever lock switchblade, so the button has a form of a lever. The handle scales are made of brown micarta. The bolsters are made of nickel silver. The whole thing is rifted. In summary, classic, a very stylish and elegant switchblade, one of the most beautiful I've ever seen, perfect for a gift, available in 3 sizes, I have the largest one. There are also options with a drop point blade and antler or wood handle scales. Very good mechanics. The spring fits nicely, everything is nicely bolted, nothing catches nor sticks out. Generally high quality workmanship, perfect for EDC. That's all, thanks for watching.